In this tutorial, we will learn about conditional formatting. Conditional formatting allows you to quickly see difference in numbers, patterns, and trend at a glance. You can highlight a interesting or unusual cell value using different conditional formatting rules. Let me show you how you can do or apply these conditions in your cells rules. Okay, so let's begin this tutorial. Here you can see I have written data for this example, so I'll show you a conditional formatting example based on this data. Okay, so let's start. First of all, you have to go in home tab, and in the style group you can see here an command which is conditional formatting. When you will click here, you will see there are many options available, or many rules are available which you can apply in your cell or data or Excel. Okay, so let's start with these options or these rules. Okay, so as you can see here, we have first one is highlight cells rule, and we have here a sub menu which says that our first option is greater than. Greater than means uh, bigger than something. Okay, so for this option we are choosing this column. Okay, so let's see. First of all, you have to select your data, then go to conditional formatting command, then click greater than, and here I'm going to write uh, like if I want to highlight my uh, numbers which is greater than 55. Okay, so I will just write here 55, and you can choose here different type of color like yellow fill with dark yellow text, green fill with dark green text, or red light red fill, or red text, or you can choose red border, or you can choose custom format for changing font style, or doing bold, italic, regular, changing border. You can click on border tab. Here you can see that we have lots of border style as well. You can choose border color, or you can go to fill effect to apply effect on the numbers which is greater than 55. So here I'm going to choose a color like this. Okay, or you can apply gradient by clicking on fill effect button. Okay, so let's choose this one. Okay, like I'm going to choose this, then okay, then click OK button here, and then click OK. Otherwise you can choose your pattern style. Okay, and pattern color. So these are the option, basic option which is available under fill tab. Okay, so choose as per your choice or requirement, then at the end click OK button, and then click once again OK button. As you can see that 56 is greater than 55 as we have written here. Okay, so 55, so this is the number which is greater than 55, that's why it is highlighted. So because we have choose here highlight cells rule which is greater than 55. Okay, so this rule highlighted our numbers which is greater than 55. Okay, you can see that 53 is not highlighted because it is less than 55. Okay, and then now we are going to learn the next option which is less than. Let's do this option in the same column. Okay, so I'm going to click on less than, and I'm going to here write here 54. Okay, so which is 54, less than 54, kindly highlight with these colors, like I'm going to choose this color. Okay, so highlight with, no, it's not good. Okay, let's choose fill color. Okay, so highlight with this color. Okay, so here you can see that just because 36 is less than 55, so it highlighted with the color which uh, I had chosen. Okay, so this is how you can highlight your cells with conditional formatting highlight cell rule. Now let's see these other options. Okay, so this is the third option is says between. Okay, so let's choose this uh, column for between option, like click here between, go to conditional formatting highlight cells rule, then click on between from this sub menu, and I'm going to highlight which number is comes on between 50 to 90. Okay, so this rule will highlight only those numbers which comes between 50 and 90. Okay, you can choose your color over here. Click OK button, then click OK. Okay, so this is how you can highlight your uh, cells using between rule. Okay, and the next one is equals to. Now let's choose the same column for equals to. So click on equals to, then click here, like I'm going to choose 35. Okay, so highlight the, no, I'm going to choose 48. Okay, so highlight the number which is equal to 48, and the color should be yellow. Yeah, yellow is fine for this. Okay, so as you can see that 48 equal to 48 highlighted with the equal to rule. Okay, and the next one is text that contains. Okay, so for this option which is text that contains, we are going to use this text column. Okay, so highlight the cells before applying the rule, then go to conditional formatting, then highlight cell rules, then click your text that contain. Now here you can see that which text has spell RAJ, only those cells will be highlighted. Okay, so like if I change this to A, then all A words, I mean to say that all student name which contain A text will be highlighted. Okay, so I'm not going to choose A actually here. the Raj will be fine for this example. Okay, and choose your color, fill packed. Okay, so here RAG, this contain RAG spell, and here Rajat also contain RAG, so that's why these two cells are now highlight. Okay, and then the next option is a date occurring. Okay, so let's select date for this example. Then go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, then click here a date occurring. Now here you have option to highlight yesterday, today date, as we are 5 4. Okay, and in the last 7 days, or you can choose this week, last month. I'm not going to understand that there is something wrong with the date. I think I just use autofill feature, so that's why this is there is something wrong. Okay, so um, okay, don't worry about that, just listen carefully what I'm trying to say. Okay, so just you have to select your dates and then choose a date occurring, and then you can select your, like if you want to highlight your yesterday date, then select yesterday and click OK. Then yesterday, there is something wrong, that's why this rule is not working on my date format. Okay, so I have to delete all these things and need to rewrite all. So let me pause the video. Okay, so you can see now we are going to learn about a date occurring. I have changed the date format and the error which was we are facing during the past minutes. So let's do it again. Just select your dates, then go to conditional formatting and then highlight sales rule, then click a date occurring. Now in this dialog box you can choose your, like if you want to highlight your yesterday date, then choose yesterday and choose any of these colors and click OK. Otherwise you can choose your uh, like if you want to highlight your today date, then click on today and you can see that it is highlighted, like we have here date, then month and year. So it's a 5 for 2015, like 5th April 2015. Okay, so don't be confused. Like tomorrow, so it will highlight the tomorrow date. Then in the last 7 days, so it will highlight the last 7 days. Otherwise you can choose this week, you can highlight this week dates, next week or this month. Last month will not work because we do not have the March date here, so the last month and the next month will not work with this data. Okay, however if you want to do experiment with the last month and the next month, then you have you have to expand this date actually, like 21 for May or March dates. Okay, you need May and March dates. So I'm going to just highlight uh, in the last 7 days and then click fill effect. This time I'm going to use format. Okay, like this one is good, this one is good. Okay, click OK and then OK. You see that it has highlighted with the pattern, yeah, pattern. And now the next one is top bottom rules. Okay, so let's begin. Like if I want to know the which student got top 10 rank or top 10 marks. So select total marks, then go to conditional, then top 10 item, and then you can increase or decrease. Like if you want top 9 student list here, then you can select write here 9, or if you want 11, then 11, 12, 13, 14, as you want you can write whatever you want. Okay, so just imagine on top 10 students, like click the fill effect, then vertical style. You can change the styles as per your requirement. Okay, so this is not necessary to so, but I'm showing you. And then click OK, and then click OK. So these students are scored top 10 marks. Okay, and then we are going to about top 10%, like select percentage for this example and click uh, conditional formatting, then top bottom rule, then click here top 10%. Okay, then choose your color, like green, and this. Okay, click OK, and then OK. So it will highlight only top 10%, top 10% students, which it means that which student got the highest percentage. Okay, which comes in the top 10, you can say. Okay, so this was the top 10%, and the next one is bottom top 10. So let's do it from this column. Click here bottom 10 item means last 10 students who scored uh, less marks. Okay, so click here. Oops, this is not good. Fail effect, then I'm going to choose, click OK, then OK. So these students got less marks. These students are top below. Okay, so the next one is above average. Okay, so let's choose this column for this one, then click here. Now above average, choose color. All options are same, just a bit tweak. Click OK, click OK. So these students got the above average, means getting high marks uh, comparing to these marks average. Okay, then the same we'll choose for below average, I think. Yeah, choose the color, like I'm going to choose for this one, yes, color, and click OK. Okay, so this is how you can highlight your cells. Then the next one is data bars. So let's select this column, then go to data bars. Then you can see here live preview is available for this. Okay, so this one is good, I think. Okay, so you can see that this is showing as a, you can see that this is showing as a statistical view or a graph view. Like if the Raj got 67 marks, then this uh, uh, what we can call this graph or this static is highlighted till you can say that you can assume that this box is total as 100. Okay, so this is 34, this is 54, this is 47, this is 46, this is 92. 92 highlighted till here because this is the whole cell calculated as 100. Okay, so now if you will change the 29 as 93, you will notice that the cell goes highlighted till 93. Okay, so this is how you can use um, the data bars. So this is gradient fill and this is solid fill. Solid fill has one color, you can see, and the gradient color has two colors. So that's all. And now come to the color scale. Color scale has like some different color, or you can use any of these. Like let's choose this. So as you can see that nearest to this number, it means that 34 has same colors, and nearest to this 7. Okay, I think we should choose another column for color scale. That will be much better. Yeah, so you can see that similar to or nearest to 35 has same color. Okay, then nearest to 65 or 60 has some same color. So this is the color scale. Then the next one is icon set. So let's choose this column for icon set and click here, and here you can see your live preview. This is indicating as arrows. This is saying that 36 is a thumbs down, not good marks. Be uh, it should written as in a down side or something like that. Okay, and this is up, like you can say the thumbs up. This is good marks, buddy. So this is like you can change your icon here. You can choose any of these. Okay, here is shape also available. The shape says that red color mean sorry, green color means the highest marks, and red means lowest mark, and this is medium. Okay, or you can choose these indicators, or you can rate your student marks. Generally we see this rating sample in Flipkart or some shopping sites or farm or um, like those type of rating websites. Okay, so you can choose this any of these rating style indicators, shape or directional. Okay, so let's choose this one. Okay, so this is how you can use these conditional formatting options which are available here. In the next part, no, not next part, I'm going to show you everything in this single video. Okay, so let's change this to arrow icon or not. I'm going to choose this shape. Okay, so this will be good. Now you can see your manage rule. So click here to manage this rule, and you can edit this rule. Okay, so you can simply click edit this rule, and you can change here the icon style. Here are lots of icon style. Okay, so don't worry about that. You can choose, like I said, green is Green indicates the highest mark, so you can just change the value or icon color, and lots of options which are available here. So just choose or edit or format as per your requirement and click OK button. Okay, you can also delete the rules from this manage conditional formatting rules manager dialog box. Okay, and we have one more, that is new rule. So you can choose or you can create a new rule for your cell, like between um, 34 or mm, you 40. The format set, the color should be yellow cell value, and click OK. Oops, I forgot to select cells. So first of all select these, then go to new rule, format only cell that contain, then 30, then select here 40, 50. Let's select 50, choose the color, or you can change font style, border, or you can choose border color and other things. Click OK and click OK. As you can see that the which numbers comes between 30 and 50 now highlighted. So this is how you can use conditional formatting for highlight cells, or you can create new rules or manage rules. So you can create new rules or you can manage these rules. Now at the end I want to say that if you want to clear your format or conditional formatting, just click here and click here, sorry, hover here your mouse button, then click here. If you want to clear rules from the selected cell, then you can click here, otherwise you can choose clear rules from entire sheet to uh, remove rules from this entire worksheet. Okay, so I'm going to choose for now selected rule, selected cells. So you can see that now rules has been removed from this cell. Okay, so this is how you can use conditional formatting. Thanks for watching this video.